Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to yet another episode of
Bake It.
Whether you're into dried, candied, or ripe peaches, you know that we're smack into the perfect Ontarian peach season. I just had to make a recipe with them. So here it is, a peach and cardamom crisp. For the ingredients, you'll need peaches, brown sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, cardamom. For the crumble part, you'll need flour, old-fashioned oats, brown sugar, puffed quinoa, unsalted butter. Preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Skin, pit, and cut the peaches in equally small sized cubes. In a large bowl, mix together the peaches, the brown sugar, the butter, the vanilla, and the cardamom. Make sure to coat all of the peaches. Transfer the coated peaches in a deep dish or a pie dish and create an even layer. Set aside. In another bowl, combine the flour, the oatmeal, the brown sugar, the puffed quinoa, and the butter. To know when it's ready, when you squeeze some of the mixture in your hand, it shouldn't crumble. If it does, simply add 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter at a time, mix some more, and check again. Once the dry ingredients mix is ready, transfer it onto the peaches and create an even layer. You can even sprinkle just a bit of cardamom before popping it in the oven. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until the crumble has turned a nice golden brown. Let it cool a few minutes before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go hit that subscribe button and like this video. Oh, and don't forget to comment what you'd like to see in future episodes of
Cook It
and
Bake It.
have a wonderfully sweet week.